Here are my 5 favorite ChatGPT prompts for Google Ads keyword research. Number 1, ask it to list various subtopics or related keywords for your topic. For example, list 50 topics related to exercise bikes. Have it act as an expert or book author on your topic and prepare a list of topics for a presentation. For example, as an exercise bike expert, list 20 presentation topics. Request it to list the most popular forum threads or subreddits related to your topic. For example, what are the top forums for indoor cycling enthusiasts? Ask it to analyze competitors' websites and suggest keywords based on their content. Example prompt, analyze these competitors' websites and suggest relevant keywords for an exercise bike brand. And finally, use ChatGPT to keep up with the latest trends and predict emerging keywords based on them. Example prompt, what are the latest trends in indoor cycling and related keywords?